up, guys? It's your girl JasRenee, and as you guys can see, your girl got her hair did. Your girl got a different hair color. Like, let me just turn around and show you guys. Like, look at that body, yada yada yada. Like, your girl hair is popping right now, and you know why my hair is popping. You know why my hair is this color. I did not dye my hair no whatsoever. Your girl used the As I Am hair wax. Go get you some. Go to asiam.com and buy you some hair wax. It's $7.99 per tube. And as you guys can see, your girl got a lot of hair. And I only used about maybe 1/2 to 3/4 of a container to, get this color. So, honey, your girl looks good. If you think I look good, if you think this color looks amazing on me, like this video right now, you comment down below, Jazz, you look good, okay? Because this on what? This on period. On period, honey. Guys, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. And if you're old to my channel, thanks for tuning in again. Without further ado, let's get into this video. Hey guys, so I finally received my As I Am hair wax products. So when I say your girl being on their website every day trying to get this hair wax, and I finally got it. So Lord and behold, my package is here. This is the box that it came in. I didn't get a chance to get the fancy box that everyone else got with the, I think it was like unicorns on it. I just got a basic box, which is cool. So it came with some As I Am gel hand sanitizer, so that's a plus. So guys, this is what it looks like. This right here is the bold gold color in the As I Am, and this one is the red hot color. So which color do you guys think I should use? I think we're gonna go with red hot. I saw some girl on TikTok. I cannot remember her name. I will take her name down below. She's the one that inspired me to get this As I Am hair wax, because your girl's too scared to dye her own hair. So I'm gonna attempt to do this with the hair wax. So without further ado, let's get into this video. Okay. Also, forget the fact that I look a hot mess, because honey, once my hair is completely done, your girl be on point. So just disregard the hair tutorial, okay? Because that's what we're here for, this hair tutorial. So as you guys can see, my hair is split into 4 different sections. It's just gonna make it easier for me to style my hair. First, I'm gonna go in with the Mielle, I don't know, moisturizing milk. I'm just gonna put just like a small dollop onto each section. That way my hair can be moisturized prior to me putting the hair wax on my hair, okay? Okay guys, they do insist that you wear gloves, but it's gonna be hard to have gloves on and style my hair at the same time. And as you guys can see, I blow dry my hair prior to styling my hair, because I'm gonna go for a roller set look. And I'm gonna be using these right here, the hard rod. So this one is the bigger one. And then I'm gonna go in at the top of my head with the smaller ones, and go ahead and unclamp your rod, so that way it'll make it easier to put the hair wax in your hair and then apply your rods, okay? First, I'm gonna go in with the moisturizing hair milk. Just put, I don't know if you guys can see. Put just a little goes a long way. Okay guys, and this is what it looks like. Oh my god. And it smells amazing. Initially I thought it was gonna have like a funky smell to it, but it smells amazing. And it's like a jelly texture. And I did hear that a little goes a long way, so it's best to put just a little on your hair and then just add more and more. So let's get into it. And so I'll just first section my hair into another smaller subsection. I'm excited. Okay, so I'm gonna start with this amount right here. Oh my god, And honey, make sure you get it like all up in there, okay? And so while this product is like coloring your hair temporarily, it's not gonna be a permanent color. It also moisturizes your hair, so it's like a hair product plus like a hair color. So that's a good thing. Yeah, I've always wanted to like dye my hair red, but I just been super scared. So I guess here goes. And then make sure that you go in and detangle your hair as well and smooth in the product. We're gonna go in with the rod. We're gonna start at the ends, okay? We're gonna wrap it, and then we're going to twist and twist. So as you're wrapping your hair, twist it, okay? Oops. And seal the clamp in. Yeah, this is an impulsive decision that I'm making. Like, what? Me with red hair? What? So make sure you guys, you're gonna start out by wrapping the ends of your hair at the bottom of the rod. Secure the end. Make sure it's secured, and then you're gonna start twisting, okay? Twist, twist, until you get to the top, okay? And clamp. Okay, so I'm gonna do a few more and I'll get back to you guys. Alright guys, so we have completed 3/4 of my hair. Like, look at this freaking color. Like, bomb, right? So the last one. Let me fix this. Okay, look at this. Like, look at my hands. Look at my freaking hands. But my hair, like, this is amazing. Like this. Hey guys, so it is now day 2. And I'm going to show you guys what my hair looks like once I take them out of the rods. As you guys can see, I've already taken one down just to get an idea of what it's going to look like. I love the color, but I hate how you can still see how some of the wax is not, like blended into my hair. So we're going to continue and see if it's going to look better. And as you guys can see, it is still bleeding just somewhat. So let's get into it. I'm excited. It has a hard hold. Like, and I'm gonna put my rods in my shin bag so I can clean them. It's bleeding a lot, so I don't know if I added too much product. I don't know what the case may be, but we shall see. Look at these curls. Like, what? Freaking excited. This is what it looks like before I like pull my curls apart. So I'm gonna pull the back apart, and then I'll be right back and show you guys how to pull the front section apart, okay? Right back. Guys, so what do we think? Like, what do we think? Like, I'm not done with this section right here, but what do we think? Body? Like, it's still bleeding a little, but I mean, hey, that's cool. That's fine and dandy. Now, I must admit, I had to go back in and blend in some of the product. Like, you probably can see some of the red still not blended as well as it needs to be, but that's totally fine. That's totally fine. Honey, I'm gonna have to go buy some more, cause this just looks too good. So as you can see, I'm gonna make it and just blend in the color a little more. And I normally do it in like, depending on how big the curl is, I probably do it in like 4 smaller subsections. Honey, as I am coming through, for sure. See, I'm just gonna blend this in a little more, because I don't want it to look fake. I want it to look as if I actually went to go get my hair colored. So just blend it in. I am in love, honey. I am in love. Like, this hairstyle turned out phenomenal. It's freaking amazing. I love this color. Like, amazing. My hair is still soft. It has a nice hold. The color is everything. Like, as I am, you did. I'm just speechless, for sure. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, if my hair looks bomb, go ahead and give me 2 thumbs up and comment down below if you enjoyed this tutorial and if my hair looks amazing. I love it. I love it. I hope you love it as well, guys. I just want to thank you so much for tuning in. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below if you enjoyed this video, and stay tuned to my next video, because I will be trying out a different color with maybe a different style, maybe a twist out, a braid out. I'm not quite sure. That's just my phone. But yes, guys, I will see you during my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.